Good morning from Prevost Island. We just had breakfast and now we need to go walk around. We haven't done much the last couple days besides a little swim yesterday. So I'm gonna go explore the park part of this island, or at least a little bit of it, and you know, stretch our legs a little. Alright, we've had a dinghy fail. Our rope isn't long enough to reach any of the things to tie it to, and apparently I'm not strong enough to walk it over the rocks. And we don't want to tie it on the beach because it's a really long ways out there. Probably, I don't even know, probably 75 yards. So maybe exploring the island isn't in the cards today, I don't know. So right now we're wading across. Let's see Mr. Hermit Crab. Oh, there he is. I've hardly ever seen those, like, alive.
It's a big one.
Yeah. There we go. Bring your house with you.
Kind of top heavy.
Yeah. I feel like
There you go.
shell's a little big for his body. I walked down this little ledge here and found the motherload of starfish. One orange and bunches of purple, including one guy who doesn't look so good. But oh my gosh, so many starfish! I'm gonna fall down. More starfish! There's a theme here. Okay, I'm gonna quit gushing about starfish. Look at how many there are in here. It's just a little dog pile of starfish. They go all the way back up in there. That's cool. That's how they used to be, all over the piers and just anywhere anything stood still. There'd be a starfish on it. What is that thing? What is it? Is that an anemone? Oh my gosh. What in the heck is it? Let me know if you know what it is. I'm guessing it's an anemone, but it is so weird looking. I don't know what lives in there. It made a big pile of sand. Oh, I think you missed. You might be able to catch it. Okay, I'm down. Going to the right spot?
I hope so.
20 miles? Oh, 18 miles? Okay.
North of the San Juans. What island? Gabriel?
I thought, no, we're going here to Wallace.
Oh, I thought we're not going to Gabriella?
No, that's tomorrow night. That's...
Oh. Well, I guess go to the wrong island then.
Yeah, well, okay. Gotta get going to the right island. Well, it's on the way, so... if this island is too popular, we can go somewhere else, but...
Oh yeah, the place got a lot of people there.
It's busy. Huh. Well.
We're in Seattle now.
Well, we could go to the next cove and see how... I mean, I already see boats in and out of it, so...
Well, that's why that guy's
maybe people are leaving.
People probably already left.
Yeah, probably. It's 1 o'clock. Yeah.
Oh God. Yeah.
Oh, lots of boats. Oh, wow. Okay.
Huh. We found the hordes.
We did. How exciting for us. Looking. Cool island. Another eagle. I think I've seen like 8 eagles on this island so far. Oh, that might be a ring there.
Yeah, but you gotta, this wind, you gotta anchor and then keep it steady while we do that.
Yeah, that's hard. Maybe there's room at the head of the bay here. Man, this looks like a really cool island.
Very narrow bays though.
Very narrow.
You got parallel park, we're not used to parallel parking.
I know. We might have to get used to parallel parking going to Desolation. I think that's what a lot of the places are.
You can anchor out here too. This might be a little rough though.
That's about 80 out.
Alright, watch the chain, see if it starts pulling out that way. I'm gonna back up.
Yeah,
Huh?
it's pulling like a little bit this angle. Yeah.
What do you mean a little angle? Is it pulling or not?
Yeah, it's pulling. I mean, it's angled out, like it's
So it's tight.
taut.
You can pull on the, you can hold on to the chain, you can tell.
Yeah, it's taut.
Wow, all these boats are piling in here.
Yeah. A busy place.
What?
Okay, we're here at Wallace Island. We'll see if we stay. This anchorage is a little bit dicey. It was very full in both of those coves. It's a very popular island, apparently. But it looks really cool. Tons of bald eagles, and there's supposed to be minks and otters and all kinds of wildlife, and it just looks really cool. So we shall see. What do you think?
Yes, we should. I don't know. What do I think? It's not good anchorage.
No. Here's a little recap of the trip so far. So we started in Tacoma and cruised up through the waterways up towards Port Townsend and over to Victoria. And then we find ourselves now in the Gulf Islands in Canada. So this video starts this morning in Prevost Island. And where we anchored is in this little bay called James Bay. And then where we're headed is Wallace Island, which is to the north. I'll zoom out here so you can see. So there's Prevost Island, and then there's Wallace Island. And so if we zoom back in to Wallace Island, you can see the first little cove that we looked at was very busy. That's Conover Cove, I believe. And then the second cove that we looked at, also busy. We didn't even go to this first cove, but we cruised through the second cove there, and it was basically completely full. So where we ended up anchoring is kind of out in the opening here, just sort of tucked in a really tight spot in the rocks there. It was basically just room enough for our boat to swing. So a very very busy anchorage. All right, did you get your dingleberry?
Yep, I got it.
Okay, otherwise known as a tether.
Floaty on there.
Yeah,
Probably should.
All right, we're taking off at, oh, those rocks where the otters were disappeared.
Fast.
Taking off at Wallace Island here for a little dinghy ride and maybe a little shore excursion. I was just looking at some otters over here and their rock is gone. I'm gonna guess the otters are around there somewhere, but they might have taken off too.
Let's see what our rock situation looks like out here.
Okay, that's where the rocks were. Well, still are. Yeah, I'm starting to see ground here. I see rocks here.
That's the part that was exposed.
Uh-huh. But the tide is supposed to come into like 4 something meters and then go down to like 3.5. So it's way It was way low this afternoon. Shouldn't be that low again while we're here. There's the rocky road.
Back to there before we hit.
Yeah. Well, that's a good 50 feet. Just keep an eye on it, I guess.
Still get out of the boat.
Yeah, that's a challenge.
Smelly in
Yeah, it is. Oh, there's something kind of big right here and here.
here. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Hopefully it's just grassy, but oh, there's a rock right in front of you. Rock right behind you.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh boy, you've done it now. Huh. This is still like 3 feet deep. We've landed in this cute little cozy bay. And we're gonna put our shoes on and go for a little walk. There's a limpet. I haven't seen very many limpets.
They used to be everywhere too.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's quite a few here. Even with the barnacles.
San Juan Islands, there used to be a lot of them.
Ah. You don't see them very often. All right, Mike's tying up the dinghy, and we can go for a walk. Got to tie up above the high tide line, so you don't have to dive for your rope. We all know I'm not the most coordinated. Ooh, tippy rock. Whoa! Ow!
That sounds painful.
I actually didn't hurt myself, but it was a very tippy rock. I thought it was tippy one direction, it was tippy both directions. So I just managed to slide off it less than gracefully, but didn't hurt myself. Ooh, something dead.
Oh.
I don't even know what it is. Just fur and bones.
Huh.
All right then, gonna avoid the dead thing. Slippery. I don't either. This just looks like woods. Woods, no trail. There's like hardly any underbrush on this island. That's pretty cool. Yeah, Mike's a mountain goat. He just goes. And I'm always lagging behind. This is not much of a trail, dear.
Sure there's a trail around here somewhere.
Probably, maybe.
I think I found the main trail.
Oh, okay. All right, trail time. Oh. The other side goes, yeah, straight down. That's Galliano, I think.
Yeah.
I think that's the north end of Galliano Island.
Huh.
It's quite a little cavern thing here. Almost looks man-made. Looks like it has a seam there. It's not. For a second, it almost looked like concrete on top of rock, but I was like, why would they do that? Lots of geology here. I don't know much about geology. So for the geologists, it's very cool here. Oh, somebody has to tell me, is this a TikTok trend? Making faces in the leaves. Filming the faces that you don't even pay attention to. Might get a face montage. Oh yeah. They're all over. You just don't pay attention to them. It's a pattern recognition thing for me. I'm just looking at the ground to make sure I don't trip. And there's just faces everywhere staring back at me. Oh yeah, there's one. This one's hiding. Yeah. Oh, our little cove filled up a little. Time to get back in the dinghy, go back to the boat, which is over there. go make some dinner. Mike's sending me out to sea, I think. I'm a little worried he's gonna let go of the rope. I just always say, remember, they always suspect the husband. You gonna try to do this without getting wet?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a good theory, I like it. Yeah, it's pretty deep here right now.
Alrighty.
Alright. Well, that was a nice little hike. I'm all red in the face. That last little part through the forest
All out of the ore.
was really hot. Because there was no wind. Alright, Mike's getting in. Just like that. There's our eagle going crazy.